Alright, hello everyone, and it is Saturday evening. It's 8:30. I thought it was a little bit earlier than that. Okay, so I'm going to have to make this a bit of a quick video. So here is what looks better, profit. Well, any way you want to look at it, this is what we're looking at. So disregard the 2.48% positive that was at the very start of the year with another account. So this account is actually slightly in the negative. So let us review what is going on. So this was the month of November. The EURAUD closed out early too. So okay. So we had a few trades with the EURAUD, with the Swiss yen, with the Kiwi at the pound, Kiwi at the pound yen, with the pound Aussie. So I don't know if it's going to go on breakdowns. It's not. But I mean, that's what it's looking at. So as you can see, my trades are open a little while. We've got a couple of the nearly seven days. So that'd be business days, and the EURAUD was, about 5 days. And at the start of the month, this was positive. It was about 2.8%. So we've had a complete turnaround, and had a few trades that were good and a few trades that were bad. So the EURAUD, that was held for quite a while. It was a short trade. It didn't work out in the end. I got in a bit late. Swiss yen, it was just choppy, and I got in long. Not a great trade. And the Kiwi, I think, was okay. And the pound yen, that was an okay trade. That was short. New Zealand was short. It was alright. It's just one of those months. I sort of didn't completely follow the rules. I want to see if this is gonna. There it is. So the pound Aussie, and I haven't checked this. The first time I've checked the charts today. Video anyway. Pound Aussie did close pretty much at the low for the weekly time frame. So that's potentially a longer term sort of play. I'd probably just enter next week, probably Tuesday, if it continues like this. If it holds, at the low of that candle, stop probably above that candle there. So, and we'll see what it wants to do with the pound Aussie. Let's have a little look at the EURAUD here. So it should be a couple of thingamajigs here. There it is. So I shorted here. I don't believe I got out there. It was a little bit higher than that. What am I doing? Well, maybe it was the hourly. I think I actually got in on an hourly entry, and to be honest, it was a bit late. Although the EURAUD has sort of continued to move lower as well. After it did have a bit of a bounce, it would have been around here that I got in and I got out. Not quite at 2%. It rallied, and now it's back down again. So we'll see. The Aussie dollar is continuing to show signs of strength. How did this end for the week? Well, I mean, not quite, at a great spot. We've got a little bit of support holding here and here as well, down at 1.5261. So region. So I'm not going to jump into this. The pound Aussie is a little bad. This is an interesting thing where, well, actually, to be fair, it's pretty similar. So, pardon me. You'd want it to be a little bit lower. So you still. I'd be too keen to get in right now, so I want to see how the start of the week goes before I make a play on that. Just sort of clicked Aussie again. I don't know why. I must have been looking at it for this reason of a breakout potentially. It's still holding. It's probably a valid trade right there, really. I mean, honestly, it's breaking out through resistance there. So entertain a trade there, to be fair. Aussie dollar. I was looking at this yesterday too, very similar. So mixed bag, mixed signals. It's not really that clear, to be fair. Opinion, very flat. No real trade there. Oh, Swiss yen. Let's have a look at the Swiss yen. So we went over the Euro Aussie with that trade and it just didn't quite work, and then it moved slow. But you know what? That's just how things go. Got added a bit of size as well this month to the account, and it's never really a perfect time to add more size. You know, I mean, because the Euro Aussie and the Swiss yen actually were the first two positions with more capital. Obviously, it's just relative. So just got to get my head around that a little bit. That's all. I think that threw me out a little bit. Yeah, so here we go. That was the short, and it did rally. So I let this go, and it's, you know, now it's looking, well, I mean, a little bit bullish. So we'll see. I mean, go to the daily chart. You know, it's always good just to capture trades, you know, keep yourself accountable, that sort of thing. I think that was along there as well. And it went. This is my problem. You know, I'm a break-even trader currently, really, because I closed this out unnecessarily. It might have actually hit my break-even, so I don't believe so. Let's have a little look, see if we can get a picture here. Swiss yen back in August. I don't know if I'm going to get it from. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Not. Hope everyone is having a great day as well. Swiss yen. Okay. Gonna wave the hand off of that for now, but it looks, you know, there was a little bit there. That, you know, it's hard to tell where the stop would have been. That's all. So I don't want to say, yeah, it continued on. You know, so really there was no valid reason to exit that trade. It was in the money straight away, and then look where it went. So, but hindsight's great. You know, we won't dwell on that. As you see, I mean, I'm more of a breakout trend trader type guy. So. Now, if you want to go through, these are my most recent trades. These are the ones that were pretty significant and actually got me into the negative. So that's why I'm touching upon those. But if you go back in November, you'll see all my trades are documented. I journal everything as well. It's extremely important. It just helps to keep you accountable. That's why I make these videos. Obviously, I'm not an elite trader or anything like that. I would still really consider myself a novice trader. And that's a key thing as well that I've come to realize. You've got to be very self-aware. Like, if you think you're really great and you have a huge ego, it's going to end in tears. So be very careful of that. I think I'm going to conclude the video now. I do have to get up pretty early tomorrow, and I will make a watch list video tomorrow, open to discussion on ideas and things like that. I think looks like there's a few things going on. I mean, the Swiss yen is holding above support here as well. So more to come. Thanks guys for watching, and bye for now.